Hey guys, I just made this protein pudding cherry cheesecake and I'm about to try it. If you want to find out how to make this, just continue watching this video. Moment of truth. Wow. That is actually really good. Like way better than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to add 1 container of this Premier Protein vanilla shake. Add the whole container in there. And then I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of this Cheesecake instant pudding that's sugar-free. Put that in there. Bought this little thing off Temu, now I'm going to actually put it to use. Try to get it off the sides. Definitely would recommend a little hand mixer, not this little doodad guy. It's already thickening up. I want to put the lid on this and put it in the refrigerator to let it chill. Okay, I let this pudding stay in the refrigerator overnight. Looking pretty good. I got my no sugar added cherry pie filling, which I love, 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 love cherry cheesecake. And I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'm gonna put a little bit on both sides because I don't think they'll eat all of this today. I might try to eat part of it now and part of it later.